Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is my channel for digital branding solution. Please like this video and share and channel subscribe this. My video topic photo editing for Amazon, eBay, Newegg and other websites, local websites uh, for background removal services. Uh, Only $50 with timing 7 hours delivery. Background removal services. I will edit your important images in 3 hours. Why need edit your product's photo? Do you need to click your product on the first impression? My services: infographic, background remove, manual clipping path, transparent background, white background, color change, color correction, resize, crop with any Photoshop partner for Amazon and any online store product photo. And please note, jewelry adult uh, not included. And please contact me first before placing your order. And this is my portfolio. My portfolio background removal uh, products. Please see the screen. My portfolio. My client work for this portfolio. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक एंड शेयर करें। अगर आप मेरी सर्विसेज अवेल करना चाहते हैं तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो है वो अपना ईमेल एड्रेस एंड ऑफिशियल पेज दे दूँ, तो वहाँ से आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।